Hi guys, it's Alba here. I'm going to do a quick tutorial on how to have different bundles on as print on demand bundles or like multiple items within the same listing. So I have this shop here as an example of how they do it. This is how I also apply it to my shop. You can have it like this where each individual item is added to cart, like the customer gets to decide what they buy from the bundle. Or you can have like, let's say, swaddle plus hat within the same option. I personally prefer this, but that's just personal opinion. You might not like it, and that's totally fine. But this is how I do it. Now, this method that I use might not might not be perfect. Some people might do it differently, but this is what works for me. So the way that this person and that I accomplish something like this to be pushed through Printify is by going here on Printify, create your products first, save them as drafts. So let's pretend that we're creating this one. Instead of publishing, we save it as a draft. Now, one of the products will have to be published to the shop. So if we're creating the initial product, let's pretend it's this one, we will go ahead and hide in the shop in the meantime. We publish it. Let's go ahead and do that, and I'll show you on the other end. And then the rest of the items that we want to add to our bundle here, we will have them saved as draft within Printify. We don't have to save it on our shop. Unless you want to publish them individually, then that's a different story. But for this particular scenario, we're just going to have them saved as a draft. Now here, we will go to our listing. It will be saved under draft. Here we are. And what we're going to do in this original, like the first listing that we push to have the bundle, we will go to, you see how the SKU is here? We don't touch that at all. We will go to variations and we add the variations like this. We can either do it separately or we can put here like bundle or whatever you want to do. But I personally like it individually. And let's see, we will put the changing pad. We have the bib, we have the beanie hat, we have the swaddle blanket, and I believe we have, oh, it's just another baby blanket. Okay, so baby blanket. Now the other option that I was mentioning is just adding the swaddle plus hat or blanket plus whatever you want. So that could be an option too. Now I'm gonna leave it that just for showcasing purposes. We'll click done, prices vary, and apply. Nothing else really changes. The quantities, it doesn't really matter, print on demand, right? So we just click apply. We put the pricing that we want for each individual product. This one's going to be 100. And we complete our listing however we want here. And once we're ready and we have everything nice and tidy here, we go ahead and publish it. Now, whenever we get an order from this listing, this is what we're going to do. If this is a personalized listing, we will have to, let's pretend that they order the bib and the beanie hat. So if they want to put a name on them, we'll go ahead and duplicate it and edit it. Let's pretend that they want to put, I don't know, just always use my daughter's name. I'm going to put a name in there. And make sure that here you put, I tend to like to put the name of the person that's ordering so that I can keep track of, my orders. So let's pretend her name is like Natalie or something. So Natalie, or actually order for Natalie. Be a little more specific with like last name too, just in case you have more of one Natalie if you get a lot of orders. And save it as a draft. What was the other thing that they ordered? It was the bib. So we go ahead and duplicate it. We add our design. And we save it. Oops, don't forget this. Sometimes I do. Order for Natalie. And we save it as a draft. Okay, once we have her order ready here, we go to our orders. And it should show up here. Her name will show up here like Natalie, whatever. So we will click, let's see if I have a pending order here. This one. We will go to the order. We will click edit order and we will remove this because that's our baseline. That's our product that we edit, right? And then from here, we just click add and we look for the things that we just made for her, that we personalized for her. So she wanted the bib and she also wanted the beanie hat. And we're done. We just click ship in, go ahead and submit the order, And this is how we can have it set up for orders to come from Etsy to Printify as a bundle. Now let's say that she ordered the swaddle plus hat. The same process applies. It doesn't matter whether it's individual or if it's like a bundle like this. It doesn't matter. It's the same. As long as one of the items is synced to Printify, the order will show up. Oops, let's leave here. The order will show up here. Now, if for whatever reason the order is not showing up here, click on Other Orders and check and see if it's there. But ideally, and if everything is working fine, it should show up here and it will be attached to all the information that goes with that particular listing. What else? I think that's it. Let me know if you guys have any questions. If this is too confusing still, I can make it different, maybe make a different video with whatever questions you might have. Now, something that's very important to have is this is only being able to be accomplished this way because it's set on manual. Whenever this is set on manual, all the orders will be set to that. There's no way to have one order be automatically fulfilled and another one be manual. There's no way to separate them. So this is how it's done. Most likely, you have personalization, so this has to be enabled anyway. But let me know if this is helpful. If you have any questions on how to create it, how to do it. Again, maybe I can do a more step-by-step process, perhaps. But I think this is pretty clear. That's basically what we did. So yeah, as long as the listing is pushed from Printify, the original listing, you can just add variations here, options under variations, and just have your products here completed. So yeah, pretty simple. It seems simple to me because I've done it for a long time now, like this mode. But again, if it's not simple for you, let me know. We will go from there. I hope this is helpful.